Hello everyone, Zarka Sarwat this side from Department of Zoology, JT Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Dear student, in earlier lectures we have studied about some endocrine disorders and today we are going to discuss about next endocrine disorder, that is goiter. Goiter can be any one of several types of growth in the thyroid gland, which is located at the base of the front side of the neck region just below the Adam's apple. In case of Graves' disease, the entire thyroid gland becomes enlarged. Another type called as nodular goiter, which is toxic in their nature, so this is called as toxic nodular goiter, which result when one or more nodules or adenomas, that is non-cancerous type of tumor, develop in the thyroid and trigger the excess production of thyroid hormone. In short, a goiter is any enlargement of the thyroid gland. Now, what are the symptoms or signs of goiter? First of all, most goiters are asymptomatic, means they produce no any particular type of symptoms, but still there are some common symptoms. First is an underactive gland can cause weight gain. Underactive gland means the thyroid gland are underactive, means they produce less amount of thyroid secretion as compared to normal range. Throat symptoms of tightness, cough and hoarseness. Hoarseness means abnormal voice change or abnormal pitch of voice. Trouble in swallowing, and this condition is called as dysphagia. In severe cases, difficulty in breathing, possibly with a high pitch of sound. Other symptoms may be present because of underlying cause of the goiter, but they are not symptomatic of the goiter itself. In that there is example, that is the hypersecretion or hyposecretion. If the cause is hypersecretion, and this condition is called as the hyperthyroidism, it means that the overactive thyroid can cause symptoms such as nervousness, palpitations, means the skipped heartbeat, increased sweating, heat hypersensitivity, fatigue, increased appetite and hair loss and weight loss. In other condition, that is hypothyroidism, the underactive thyroid can cause symptoms such as cold intolerance, constipation, forgetfulness, means failure to remember something, personality changes, hair loss and weight gain. In this condition, patient shows the weight gain opposite to hyperthyroidism. In hypothyroidism, there is a weight gain. Now next or last point, that is causes of goiter. Goiter can occur when the thyroid gland produces either too much thyroid hormone, and this condition, as you know, that hyperthyroidism, or not enough. This condition is known as hypothyroidism. Much more rarely, the problem may arise when the pituitary gland stimulates thyroid growth to boost production of the hormone. Most rarely, this is the condition when the pituitary gland stimulates thyroid growth to boost the production of hormone. Enlargement could also occur with normal production of thyroid hormone, such as non-toxic multinodular gland. It means that nodules are present but they not secrete any type of hormone. It means that there is an enlargement but normal production of thyroid hormone. Next, another type of thyroid growth called sporadic goiter that can form if your diet includes too many goiter promoting foods such as soya beans, rutabagas, cabbage, peaches, peanuts and spinach. Keep in your mind you have to eat huge amount of these food to cause a goiter. These foods can suppress the manufacture of thyroid hormone by interfering with your thyroid ability to produce iodide. So this is all about goiter, and I hope this is this video is very informative to you. Keep watching. Thank you.